Alam niyo ba noong mga past months, usong-uso ang hiwalayan. Minsan, nalulungkot tayo dahil yung mga ayaw nating maghiwalay, biglang-bigla na lang mababalitaan na wala na. Kesyo si partner may iba or may iba ding dahilan. Kaya nga, isa sa mga dapat nating makita kapag in a relationship ka, ay hindi lang ito basta feelings. More than feelings, relationship is a commitment. Yung gospel natin ngayon nagpapahayag about divorce and adultery. This is often used to portray the church in a negative way as being oppressive and uncaring. Pero in this passage, Christ is setting an ideal for us to follow and live out. At pinapaalalahanan din tayo na sana tuparin natin ang ating mga oaths na pinangako. Alam nyo, living out the values of the gospel is not always easy. But the standards are always necessary to guide and strengthen us who believe. And when properly guided and with firm determination, we can truly be committed sa anumang bagay. Ikaw, handa ka bang maging committed not only in your relationships, but also in following Christ? G ka ba?